I'd love for you to delve in a little bit more about what you said there in regards to these mandatory KPIs and how they can be almost detrimental to a seller success.
Yeah, so they are relevant. It's just the way that we're doing it and how leaders push on reps is the absolutely wrong way to go about it. So if you think about it this way, everyone that is on the team has different goals. So if you tell everybody, hey, we need to do 60 calls today, well, what if someone is not the best caller? I'm not saying don't make calls, but they may not be the best caller, right? That's like going in a sport and having someone who's really good at X thing, a 3-point shooter, and then you're telling them, hey, they need to go dunk and they can't even dunk. That doesn't make any sense, right? Your team is going to lose. So what you have to focus on is, okay, what is everyone's actual goal? So some reps might want to hit 200%. Some people obviously want to hit 100%, but some people might want to go beyond that. So instead of saying, hey, you need to do 60 calls and shove it down everyone's throat, take a step back and say, hey, everybody, like, what are your goals this year? All right, cool. And then have a framework or a formula so they can reverse engineer what is it going to take to hit that goal. So every single year when I've worked at JB Sales, when I've been a sales rep, when I was a sales manager, I wouldn't say I had no mandatory metrics for any of my reps. And I hit over 100% every single quarter with my team. We never missed a number as a team. And the reason for that is because we were just like, hey, what's your goal? We're going to reverse engineer that. Okay, you have to do 50 to 60 calls a week, but because you're a better writer, you probably got to do 30 to 40 personalized emails a day. I'm not saying that was it for everybody, but that's what led to success. There were no mandatory metrics. I created a formula so they made it mandatory for themselves, so they actually did it.
That's so interesting. And I think that, like, yeah, salespeople have an opportunity, right, to really shape what their KPIs might look like. And I love what you said earlier about sort of proving that your formula works. Maybe 5-10 years ago, that wasn't an opportunity for a salesperson, right? They weren't able to go, well, look what I'm doing on social, for example, right?
Yeah.
Look at the response to my memes that I'm getting, right? Let me show you my meme to meeting ratio. Yeah. That's not a traditional kind of KPI, but I do love that.